In a world where every moment can be captured in stunning detail, choosing the right camera is paramount. Nikon, a titan in the photography realm, offers a diverse range of cameras that cater to enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're seeking breathtaking landscapes, vibrant portraits, or fast-paced action shots, selecting the best Nikon camera can elevate your craft. Join us as we explore the top models, their unique features, and what makes them stand out in today's competitive market. Your perfect shot awaits. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at gadgetpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Nikon Z52, the best entry-level Nikon camera. Ready to elevate your photography game? Meet the Nikon Z52, the best entry-level Nikon camera. When I first held it, the improved grip instantly felt comfortable. This compact camera, smaller than full-frame models, boasts design elements that clearly link it to the esteemed Z series. With its X-Speed 7 processor, you'll enjoy fast performance and advanced subject detection, akin to that of higher-end cameras like the Z9. This makes it fantastic for sports and wildlife photography, especially for those on a budget. The APS-C sensor offers a 1.5x effective focal length, enhancing your reach without breaking the bank. What really impressed me was the upgraded EVF, which shines twice as bright as its predecessor. This feature makes composing shots in bright settings much easier. A dedicated picture control button simplifies your creative process, allowing for quick adjustments. Although the lack of in-body stabilization, IBIS, could be seen as a drawback, Nikon's DX lenses often come with built-in VR. This compensates beautifully for any minor shakes, ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. I particularly love how versatile this camera is in various lighting conditions. It handles low-light scenarios quite well, significantly benefiting budding photographers eager to develop their skills. While all these features are outstanding, keep in mind that experienced users might desire additional advanced controls. At number 4, we have Nikon ZF, the best vintage-style Nikon camera. Retro style meets modern performance with the Nikon ZF. This stunning camera captures the charm of classic Nikon designs while delivering impressive photography and video capabilities. It features a sleek, vintage-inspired body that stands out in a world of modern cameras. One of its standout features is the improved autofocus system. A quicker focus means you can catch more moments without frustration. The enhanced in-body image stabilization, IBIS, helps produce smooth, shake-free shots, especially useful during handheld shooting. Additionally, you'll enjoy 4K video at 60 frames per second. This allows you to shoot high-quality video that rivals dedicated video cameras. Ergonomics shine through with dedicated controls for shutter speed and ISO. As a photographer, you'll appreciate accessibility and efficiency while shooting. Portability makes this camera easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. However, it's worth noting that the ZF leans more toward photography than video, limiting options for people who prioritize filmmaking. Some may find this focus less versatile for all-in-one shooting needs. Despite this, the ZF excels in its niche, offering everything you need to elevate your photography skills. What stands out most is how Nikon seamlessly blends vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. If you want a camera that brings nostalgia and innovation, the Nikon ZF is hard to beat. Discover more about this remarkable camera and take your photography to the next level. Still searching for the perfect Nikon camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Nikon Z5, the best cheap full-frame Nikon camera. Ready to elevate your photography game? The Nikon Z5 stands out as the best cheap full-frame Nikon camera currently available. After extensive testing, you'll find it offers a fantastic blend of features and performance, especially for beginners and hobbyists. Its robust 24-megapixel sensor captures stunning images, making every shot a delight. With a 273-point autofocus system, you will achieve sharp focus quickly, even on fast-moving subjects. IAF boosts your portrait photography, ensuring your subjects shine. This functionality is especially useful for capturing vibrant photos of family and friends. A weather-sealed body provides peace of mind for outdoor shoots. You won't stress about a few raindrops ruining your day. Incorporating a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen allows for versatile shooting angles. Plus, the high-resolution electronic viewfinder brings clarity to every scene. While the 4.5 frames per second burst rate might not compete with some rivals, it still delivers solid performance for most scenarios. 4K video offers high quality, though the slight crop could be a minor limitation for some. This camera makes a reliable walking companion with the convenient 24 to 50mm retractable kit lens. What I love most about the Z5 is its balance of portability and capability. It allows users to explore creativity without feeling overwhelmed. Some features might not be as advanced as pricier models, yet they cater perfectly to your needs as a beginner. At number 2, we have Nikon D750, the best crop sensor Nikon camera. Capture your world with the Nikon D750, the crown jewel of crop sensor DSLRs. This camera stands out among its peers, delivering superior ISO performance and a robust 51-point autofocus sensor. You'll appreciate the clarity and accuracy, especially in low-light situations. Shooting 4K video becomes effortless, thanks to its contrast detection autofocus. When you switch to the viewfinder, phase detection autofocus ensures you're catching every moment perfectly. As a photography enthusiast, you'll love its capabilities in astrophotography. Capturing stars and galaxies becomes a rewarding challenge. Experience 8 frames per second continuous burst speed. This feature helps you stay right in the action, whether you're shooting sports or spontaneous moments. A lower continuous mode is also available, allowing for flexibility based on your shooting needs. The D7500's lightweight carbon fiber design makes it comfortable for long sessions. While it may not have the same rugged feel as magnesium bodies, solid weather sealing offers extra protection against the elements. A versatile tilting rear screen adds to the user experience. You can compose your shots from awkward angles without hassle. What I love most about this camera is how it feels in hand. It inspires a sense of creativity and exploration. While the resolution is slightly lower than its predecessor, this change benefits overall performance and usability. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Nikon Z63, the best Nikon camera overall. Nikon Z63 stands out as an impressive camera. This latest model features a partially stacked sensor with a readout speed that's approximately 3.5 times faster than its predecessor. You can achieve stunning shooting speeds of up to 120 frames per second, making it excellent for action shots. With its high-resolution EVF at 5.76 million dots, you'll immerse yourself in every frame. Image quality takes a leap with the 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor. This advancement shines in low-light situations, enhancing your captures during darker conditions. If you enjoy vlogging or filmmaking, this camera caters to your creative needs perfectly. Ergonomically designed, it feels great in your hands while providing excellent control. What truly impresses is the camera's versatility. Compared to Nikon's APS-C models, the Z63 undeniably raises the quality bar. Even though the Z62 remains a fantastic choice, Z63 is undeniably superior for serious enthusiasts. On the flip side, it doesn't feature a completely shutter-free design, which may limit some high-paced shooting scenarios. However, the benefits of incredible speed and image quality can outweigh this limitation for many users. The Nikon Z63 excels as the best all-around camera from Nikon. Each feature caters to both professionals and enthusiasts alike. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Nikon cameras. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Nikon camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.